নমস্কাৰ মৰমৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম ক্লাছ 9 ইংলিছ ইউনিট 1 অৰ্থাৎ চেপ্টাৰ 1 দ্য ফ্ৰম দি হেড। এই চেপ্টাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰ কেইটা আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টি শেষলৈকে চাই থাকা আৰু যদি মোৰ চেনেলটি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেনেহ'লে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ৰাখা আৰু তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টি লাইক কৰি দিবা। এতিয়া আমি কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰ কেইটা চাই লওঁ। 1 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন, হাউ অল্ড আৰ মাৰ্জি এণ্ড টমি? মাৰ্জি আৰু টমিৰ বয়স কিমান আছিল? Answer, Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years. মাৰ্জিৰ বয়স আছিল 11 বছৰ আৰু টমিৰ বয়স আছিল 13 বছৰ। ঠিক আছে। 2 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন, What did Margie write in her diary? Answer, Margie wrote in her diary today. Tommy found real book. 3 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন, Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer, no, Margie had never seen a book before. What thing about the book did she find string? Answer, Margie was surprised to see the yellow and crinkly pages. There were words, but then they turned back to the page before it had the same word. 5 number question, what do you think a telebook is? Answer, I think the telebook must be a book that gets displayed on the screen of the television for computer. So number question, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? Answer, Margie's school was next to her bedroom. No, she did not have any classmate. 7 number question, what subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer, Margie learned geography and mathematics and Tommy learned history. 2 number question, answer the following with reference to the story. 1 number, I would not throw it away. I will not throw it away. Who says that? Who says this word? Answer, Tommy says this word. 3 number, what does it refer to? Answer, it refer to the book. 3 number, what is it being compared white by the speaker? Answer, the paperback book is being compared white the telebook by the speaker. 2 number, sure they had a teacher but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. 1 number question, who does they refer to? Answer, they refer to the student centuries ago. 3 number, that those regular men here. Answer, here regular teacher meant the mechanical teacher. 3 number, what is it contacted with? Answer, the mechanical teacher is contacted with women as teacher of earlier time. 3 number, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 13 words. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? Answer, Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher had big screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. The children were through computer and television screen. they did not have women as teacher. 2 number, why did Margie mother send for the county inspector? Answer, Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher of Margie was not functioning properly. It kept giving Margie geography tests and Margie was performing oaths every time Margie's mother was consent and was sent for the county inspector. 3 number question, what did he do? What did he do? Answer, the county inspector smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He told the mechanical teacher away from her. Then the fixed the mechanical teacher. He told Margie's mother that the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was get a little too quick and that he has solved it as to an average 10-year level. 3 number question, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer, Margie was doing badly in geography because the questions that were displayed on the screen of the mechanical teacher were too quick for her age. The county inspector solved its speed to an average 10-year level so that Margie would be able to perform satisfactorily. 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer, Tommy's teacher had to be taken away altogether for a month as the history sector had blanched out completely. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, away. So, why? Answer, yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because Margie's mother believed that little girl learned better if they learned at regular house. 7 number question, how does Tommy describe the all kind of school? Answer, Tommy says that the all kind of school had special building and the kind went to that building for studying. How does he describe the all kind of teacher? Answer, he told Margie that the all kind of teacher were women instead of mechanical, missing the women teacher would educate the boys and girls and give them homework and asked question. বন্ধুসকল আজি ভিডিঅ'টো ইয়ালৈকে সমাপ্ত কৰিছোঁ। মই পাৰ্ট 2 পৰৱৰ্তী ডাঙৰ কুৱেশ্যনৰ এনচাৰকেইটা লৈ আহিম। তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টি ভাল লাগিলে লাইক কৰিবা আৰু তোমাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱক ভিডিঅ'টি শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা। মই পাৰ্ট 2 লৈ আহিম অতি সোনকালে আৰু তোমালোকে কোনটো চেপ্টাৰৰ ভিডিঅ' লাগে কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাবা। মই প্ৰত্যেকটো ছাবজেক্টৰে ভিডিঅ' দি থাকোঁ। আজি ভিডিঅ'টো মই ইয়ালৈকে সমাপ্ত কৰিছোঁ।